Hi viewers, today I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing device that will revolutionize your daily life, the multifunctional wireless charger. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. The cheapest multifunction wireless charger. Got this for 57 cents with special discounts from AliExpress. Can get for 99 cents with welcome deals. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experience with wireless chargers in the comments below. In our increasingly interconnected busy world, the demand for multifunctional devices has grown exponentially. The multifunctional wireless charger, stand, fast charging station, alarm clock, speaker, RGB night light caters to the needs of modern consumers who seek convenience, versatility, and efficiency in their gadgets. Supports Bluetooth version 5. This comprehensive review will delve into the various aspects of this innovative device, exploring its design features, functionality and practical applications. Box is slightly squashed and on this side it says Health and Smart Life Assistant. What makes a dome so smart? This is G63 from AliExpress. Smart light sound machine. Dimmable. Alarm clock. Sunrise simulation wake up light. Wireless charging. Natural sleep aid sound machine. Sound machine made in China. Available in 6 colors: black, light gray, white, pink, blue, green. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Compatible with a range of smartphones including Samsung, iPhone, Xiaomi. It supports fast charging to minimize downtime. And the unit. USB-C cable. User manual in 6 different languages. Please go through it. It has some tips on this, on how to use. Four stands at the bottom. Input current is 5 volt 1 ampere. That is just for the unit. When you are charging a phone, please make sure you use a G63 charger. Input voltage can go up to 12 volt 2.5 amperes while charging. At the back is TFT card slot or micro SD card slot, auxiliary port and the Type-C charging port. This is the wireless charging pad. You need to keep the phone on top. That wireless output is 10 watt. The LED time display is easy to read and serves as a practical addition to your bedside table or desk. It has 4 buttons on the front. On the buttons, it says this one is M, forward, play pause, backwards. Here is the speaker. Make sure to charge the unit 2 hours before use for the first time. press the play pause button to power on the unit. Power on.
Bluetooth mode.
Though the clock is 24 hours, it always shows the AM PM in the display. 10 types of light choices. Can cycle through available color patterns with mode button. So these are the 10 choices of light color. RGB Night Light. Enhance your ambience with the RGB Night Light feature. Choose from a spectrum of colors to set the mood for relaxation, concentration, or entertainment. Keep device plugged in all the time. It won't harm the unit at all. Trust me. I've got 2 units like this. They are connected all the time for almost a year now. This is how to set up the time. First press the M button till the hour is blinking. Then press the back or forward buttons to adjust it. Then press the play and pause button to adjust the minutes. Then do the same. Press the back or forward to adjust it. And then press the play pause to set the time. Then there you have it. This is how to set the alarm. Press and hold the M button till the alarm sign is blinking. Then press the back or forward button to adjust the hour. Then press the pause and play button to adjust the minutes. Same thing. Press the back or forward buttons to adjust the minutes. Then press again the pause or play button to turn it on or off. And using arrow keys, turn it on or off. Can stop the alarm by short pressing M button. Using play pause keys, turn device off.
Power off.
Alarm will come on even when the unit is powered off. As you can see here. We'll do the music stand review in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. Bye.